Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to create this amazing splattering effect. So if you also want to create this, then keep watching our video. Also guys, at the end of the video, we are going to show you one more effect just like this. So to know about that, stay tuned with us till the end. Okay guys, so now let's begin. So guys, here we are in Canva interface and we selected an Instagram post blank page. And firstly, from element section, we are using this funny expression little child. And to see more just like this, we are selecting this view collection option. And here you can see we have so many childs just like that. So you can select anyone according to your choice. But we are going to select that child only. So that's why we selected this child and now we are going to remove its background. So we are selecting this edit image option and now selecting this BG remover option. Okay, after removing its background, we are going to adjust it properly in the page. Okay, now we are going to select a background color for this. So we are selecting here. And I think this yellow color is the best one among all. So that's why we are sticking to it, and now we are downloading this image in PNG format by increasing its size to maximum. Okay, so now post is downloaded. After this, we are going to upload this same image in this page only. After uploading the image, we are changing the background color to white. Okay. After this, we are going to adjust this image properly in the page. Also guys, while I am doing this, a video is flashing in your I button, so you can check out that video as well to add more creativity to your creations. Okay guys, so now we are selecting a placeholder from our history, which is a circular placeholder, and now we are inserting this image inside it and now adjusting it properly. Okay, after adjusting it, we are increasing its size and now we are going to set it at the middle of the page. Okay guys, so it's done. After this, we are again moving to elements section, and from here we are going to select some splatters. So we are going to select this splatter, which is blood stain splatter. Also, to see more like this, we are selecting this option. And now here you can see we have so many splatters just like that. So you can select anyone according to your choice. So firstly, we are going to select this splatter, and now after this we are going to select this splatter. And after selecting these two, we are going to place them around the circle. And why we are doing this? So that we are able to cover the outline of the circle and able to create that splattery effect. So we are simply doing this to hide the outline of the circle, as you can see here. Also guys, while we are doing this, if you are liking our video till now, then please hit the like button below this video right now and subscribe our channel to know about more such cool stuff. And press the bell icon as well so that you get notified with every new stuff. Okay guys, so now it's done. After this, we are again moving to element section, and now we are using this splatter and changing this splatter color to the light gray color, which is just like the upper color of the child. Okay guys, after this we are going to select this splatter and now we are going to spread it around the circle and going to change its color to yellow. Okay, so now this is also done. After this, we are going to use this splatter, and now we are going to change its color because black is not looking that much attractive. So we are moving to color option and trying different colors. I think this red color looks more good, so we are going to stick to it. And now we are going to rotate it a little bit. After rotating this, we are again going to select this child's photo and going to remove its background. And now after this, we are going to overlap this new child duplication to the previous one. And why we are doing this? To create the pop-out splattering effect with the help of this duplication and that red splatter. Okay guys, so we are adjusting it properly just above the previous child. I know this process is a little bit of time consuming, but believe me guys, its result is going to amaze you. Okay, so now it's done. So finally we are going to place this red splatter behind. And now similarly we are going to do the same thing on the other side as well. Okay, so it's done guys. After this we are going to add one more element from element section. So we are going to use this blue cloudy element, and now we are going to increase its size. After increasing its size and fixing it properly, we are going to set it to back. I think little bit adjustment is still needed, so that's why I'm adjusting it and now sending it back finally. Okay, so now adjusting the other splatters as well properly. Okay guys, now duplicating this splatter and changing its color to grey color. So it's done. After this, to make it more attractive, we are going to select all the elements and going to decrease its size according to the page. Okay, after decreasing its size, we are going to add one more element here from element section. And that is this element, which is the cloud element. Now fixing it at the bottom of the page, and now again duplicating it and covering left part. Okay, so our post is ready. So finally we are downloading it in PNG format by increasing its size to maximum. And after downloading, here we have our final post. So what do you think about this guys? Let us know in the comment section below. We would love to read them. Also guys, you can try this kind of effect as well in splattery effect. If you want to get an idea how we created this one, go through our upcoming short in which we give an idea how we created this one. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and got a value here. And now we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely selves.